Do you want to turn this soil into black gold? This black gold, guys, is actually Bokashi Compost. It is light, it's fluffy, it's full of beneficial microorganisms and also organic matter that feeds them. Is it really possible to turn this soil into black gold in just 30 days as opposed to months for traditional composting? So guys, again, this is part 3 of a three-part series. So make sure that you watch part 1 and part 2 before watching this. Alright guys, this is Lanie Bokashi bringing you harvesting So as gold. Continuation of the Eazybox method, and this is where we buried our Bokashi kitchen waste, and during those 14-day waiting time, I put a kangkong crate right on top of my Eazybox, and now 14 days later, you will see that the roots actually have grown outside of the kangkong crate into the Eazybox. This just proves that the kangkong actually thrives in stage 3 Bokashi even before the 14-day period is up. Oh wait, there's more. 3 days earlier, I've actually scraped off about 4 inches on top of my Eazybox and then used that 4 inches of compost and transferred into this planter and then planted the cuttings to that planter. So it's a kangkong cuttings and also the head of a pineapple. And as you can see here, the kangkong is already thriving. And then I've also used some of those compost as a topping for this ornamental plant. As you can see here, I'm scraping off another few inches of the compost and then putting it into my aglonema. I think it's an aglonema. And then the rest, as you can see there, I put it in another crate so that it can age a little bit more. Not only that, you can actually also include this in a Bokashi vermiculture integrated system. Please join us on September 19, 10 a.m. for the Bokashi Vermi talk show. So guys, if you want guaranteed results, ensure that you have the Eazybox, the Tumana Soil, the carbonized soil mix, and the Bokashi Ipa, and also all raw veggies and fruit scraps.